Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, I recommend it to check if you have the latest software version. Open SOUNDPEATS audio application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app, then the application opened for you the headphones menu, but if you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones at the device list if your headphones connected. Then click at the three lines at the right top, and right here at the second line we have firmware upgrade. Firmware is the same as software, so tap at this line, then click check for updates. It checked for updates and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, right here at the bottom you will find the button download and install. Tap at this button and then wait until this update finishes. Don't use your headphones, don't play audio, just wait. Now, if the update didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to connect firstly your headphones to the power. At the top of your right headphone, we have the plug with the lightning bolt icon. Open the plug. And right here we have USB-C port. So, you can use USB-C cable and an adapter. You can use USB-C to USB-C cable to charge it from your phone, or USB-A to USB-C cable to charge it from, let's say, PC or another device with USB-A port. So now let's do this. And the most important is this red LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging, and that's actually what we need. Then, at the bottom of your right headphone, we have controls, and you need to use the middle one, the multifunctional button located between volume control buttons. You need to press and hold this button until the LED light blinked white and red. So press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your finger. Then we need to wait 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can remove your charging cable. Then let's turn on them. Press and hold at the multifunctional button again until you will see white LED light. Okay, we just turn on them and now we can reconnect them with the phone. So go to the settings. Then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click forget this device or forget device button or unpair button or remove button or something else, it depends on the phone. And click forget device. And you will remove them, because without remove them, if you try to reconnect them, if you have iOS it will ask you to remove them, if you have Android it will show to you connection failed. So we need to do this. Then, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. Then tap at your headphones at the device list. We just reconnect them with the phone, and now we can reconnect them with the application. So open SOUNDPEATS audio app. Then tap at your headphones at the device list. Now we need to wait a bit. And we reconnect them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!